One of the most beneficial energy efficiency improvements homeowners can make is to insulate and eliminate air leaks in your home. Did you know that Rebates from Minnesota Energy Resources can help get your problem areas fixed? Air leaks are most commonly found in the attic, behind short attic walls, around wiring holes, plumbing vents, and recessed lighting. They're also found around windows and doors, and in basement rim joists. Could your home benefit from air sealing and insulation? Answer these quick questions. Do you have hot and cold spots in rooms? Do you have high heating and cooling bills? Do you have drafty rooms? Ice dams or icicles hanging from your eaves in the winter? Cold walls or water on the inside of walls? A sure way to help you determine if your home needs air sealing and insulation is to have an energy audit conducted by Minnesota Energy Resources. The in-home energy-saving audit visit identifies measures to reduce energy bills and improve your home's comfort, durability, safety, and affordability. Once you understand the work to be completed, you'll need to hire a contractor, which can be an intimidating process. To make this easier for our customers, we've developed the Authorized Installation Contractor program. Selecting an authorized installation contractor is a guaranteed way to ensure rebate eligibility and energy savings. You must use an authorized installation contractor in order to qualify for an air sealing and insulation rebate from Minnesota Energy Resources. Authorized installation contractors in our program must sign a participation agreement that they will comply with strict quality requirements, attend training to ensure they know and understand the proper and safe ways to perform blower door tests, and agree to have jobs inspected to meet the program's quality assurance standards. In addition to ensuring you'll receive quality work, Minnesota Energy Resources also offers hundreds of dollars in rebates to have your home sealed and insulated. Simply visit cashrebatesnow.com, click on Air Sealing and Insulation Rebates, and download an application. It's important to familiarize yourself with the rebate requirements before getting started, so make sure to review the application in its entirety. Once you've reviewed the application, call us or visit our website for a complete list of authorized installation contractors. Remember, to qualify for a rebate, the work must be done by an authorized installation contractor. Select and schedule an initial appointment with a contractor in your area. During that appointment, the contractor will walk through your house and provide you with a free quote. Review that quote and others you may get. Select a contractor and schedule the actual work. Here's what to expect when your selected contractor arrives to complete the work. A blower door test. This test uses a special fan to help determine the air tightness of a home and identify the location of the air leaks. A blower door test requires the contractor to access all areas of your home, including closets, built-in cabinets, attics, crawl spaces, and any unused rooms. A blower door test can take an hour or more to complete. Once the initial blower door test is complete, your contractor will begin sealing air leaks and adding insulation where necessary. Then your contractor will perform another blower door test to ensure all air leaks are properly sealed. Finally, your contractor will sign and record the necessary information on your rebate application, which you can then mail to Minnesota Energy Resources. The contractor must also provide you with a receipt for the work done, so you can attach it to your application form. Your home will be left clean and comfortable. Your new air sealing and insulation will save you energy and money for years to come. Plus, with rebates from Minnesota Energy Resources, energy efficiency is more affordable. For more information about this and other available rebates, visit cashrebatesnow.com.